As one with the region's primary educational institutions, Agusan del Sur National High School is dedicated to continuously refining its best practices, steadfast in its commitment to providing students with a top-tier education. ASNHS has earned acclaim for its pioneering efforts in bolstering Department of Education programs. In 2007, a landmark initiative was launched in collaboration with Department of Agriculture, the Gulayan sa Paaralan program. This initiative aimed to foster the establishment of school gardens in both public elementary and secondary schools, ensuring a sustainable supply of vegetables for the school-based feeding program. Having been honored with numerous accolades over the years, ASNHS has maintained its winning streak in this arena. Through unwavering dedication to program sustainability, the school has successfully met the nutritional needs of participating students in the feeding program. The bountiful harvest of vegetables and poultry have also contributed significantly to the school's revenue streams. Beyond financial gains, the program has fostered a sense of engagement among students, instilling the importance of farming and environmental education. Despite facing challenges brought on by the pandemic, innovative solutions have been spearheaded under the guidance of the GPP coordinator.
GPP sa Agusan del Sur National High School where kami apply o urban style gardening. So sa urban style gardening gi-employ namo diri ang drip irrigation. Mo ni siya ang drip irrigation whereas self-watering na siya diha pag on na mo sa bulb automatic na siya mo agas. Mao na among drip irrigation system. Unya nag-apply pud mi og vertical gardening. Kani siya vertical gardening is one of the criteria diha sa urban gardening. Daghan pa mi kayo gipangkuan. Nami diha ay flatbed, nami flatbed nga gigamitan og drip irrigation gihapon. Makita ninyo kanang tower diha or kanang duha ka dagkong baril diha mo na ginagamit namo for gravity nga drip irrigation system. Sa innovation namo sa gardening mo ni gitawag nato kaning hydroponics where ang atong gulay naglutaw lang kini sa tubig. Ang tubig is treated with fertilizers. Mo ni siyang atong gitawag nga hydroponics. So nagtanom ta diri og kuan kaning sa tawag ani tinang tangkong aplan kangkong napod siya'y kanang pichay. Diya sa kilid na po na ang mga tinangkong gi-drip gihapon nato. One of our project. So makita nyo diri napunta diri gihimo nga drip. Hydroponics diay no. Hydro. Nag-hydro ta og cucumber. Kung tanaw nyo ang root system niya, guwapo kayo. Then nag-hydro ta diri og talong. Muna siya ang talong. Then natay set up diri sa hydroponics nato. Kung makita ninyo na siya ang iyang root system niadto sa tubig. Soilless ko ni siya planting, mo ni gitawag soilless planting. Okay, diha dapita na i-comparison nato ang natural method sa planting kani siya by soil. The same batch na sila pero nakita nato ang kalainan ang nasa hydroponics may guwapo nga result.
Amidst these challenges, a silver lining emerged in the form of strengthened collaboration among teachers, parents, stakeholders, and the school administration. Teachers have taken proactive steps, embracing initiatives and acquiring new skills in basic gardening and vegetable cultivation. Introducing the communal garden program in collaboration with GPTA officials, Barangay 5 LGU, and parents under 4Ps program has furthered community engagement. This initiative has led to a proliferation of vegetable gardens in households, resulting in increased local produce and the sustainability of various school projects. notably the school-based feeding program. ASNHS remains steadfast in cultivating an adaptable culture with success underpinned by the strategic planning and robust constituent cooperation. The GPP Sapagkat program serves as a beacon of hope, illustrating the transformative power of cooperation and teamwork within the community.